Hey guys, in today's class, I'm going to be teaching you how to know that a particular crypto will go up in price or go down in price. Now, this is going to be one of the most interesting classes you've learned about how to determine the prices of cryptos, especially if you're a trader, you're an arbitrage trader, and you want to know if a particular crypto would fall or rise. Alright, I'm going to share how to do that. Now, this is the CoinMarketCap website. You can actually do this with your phone mobile app, right? But I'm making use of my computer, so this is going to be interesting for you. Alright, so basically you can click on cryptocurrencies and click on ranking, and then you select any crypto you want, or you can come to the search area and particularly select any crypto you want to research on. So let's say we want to research on crypto Ethereum. You can just come here and search for Ethereum. If you want to research on Dogecoin, search for any crypto coin you like. So let's click on Ethereum and let's determine what will be the price of Ethereum in the next 24 hours. Alright, now I want you to follow me, so I'll be showing you everything you need to understand. Alright, so currently the space for Ethereum has opened on my computer, and you can see the price for one Ethereum right now is $3,290 for one single Ethereum. Now we are about to determine the price of Ethereum in the next 24 hours. Okay, now what we're going to do right now, first of all, I'm going to just wait a little bit of time for the whole portal to, for the whole page to be completely loaded. All right, so once it is loaded, we're going to go straight to the market area on your computer. So this is where the market area is located. It is so easy for you to find. So you can click on market. Now, particularly when you click on market, market shows you everything you need to know to determine what Ethereum will look like, what the price of Ethereum will look like in the next 24 hours. So if you are a trader, you should know whether you're going to sell or whether you're going to buy. Alright? So when we got started, I shared the price of Ethereum was $3,290. Alright? Now, you come to this place where you see plus 2% and minus 2% debt. Alright? Now let me explain what it means. There is a war between traders, between buyers and sellers, and this war is the war of money. Alright? A lot of buyers are in the market. They are putting in millions of dollars to buy Ethereum, and a lot of sellers are in the market. They already have Ethereum. They want to sell Ethereum worth millions of dollars. The market respects people or where the money is going to. The market respects traders who have a lot of money. So that is why markets or prices will go to where there's a lot of money. So for example, you can see down the plus 2%, a lot of traders, this is Binance for example, a lot of people have put in $13.5 million to buy Ethereum when Ethereum increases 2% above the current price. So basically there is $13.5 million waiting to buy Ethereum. And on the other hand, a lot of people want to sell Ethereum worth $16.3 million. Now let me explain what it means. These are the buyers, these are the sellers. These people do not have Ethereum. They have money to buy Ethereum, and this is the money they have placed to buy the Ethereum. All through Binance app around the world. These people already have Ethereum, but the Ethereum is worth this amount and they are willing to sell. So you can see that the market is going to respect people who have money. So people who have more money. So the price of Ethereum will likely reduce in the next 24 hours. So as you can see, it has actually dropped. This may be the reason why it has dropped to about 3288 from 3290. Alright. Now let me show you something else. Now you don't determine the price of a particular crypto from just Binance alone. There are thousands of other crypto apps, but we're going to look at the major ones. This is Binance also, but let's just leave this one because Binance respects Ethereum USDT. Coinbase is also another big exchange, one of the biggest in the world. On Coinbase currently, $3 million is ready to buy Ethereum from buyers. Now sellers are putting $7.3 million to sell their Ethereum. Like I mentioned initially, the market will respect where a lot of money goes to. So sellers are more. So the price of Ethereum will likely come down because the sellers are more. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you can see the price of Ethereum influences, you can see it's even reducing right now. It has gone from 32888 to 3285 from 3290 we saw earlier. So let's look at Orbit. Orbit respects the sellers also. So the buyers are not really strong today as at the time I'm looking at this. You can see $5.8 million, which is bigger than this amount. But on Bybit, Bybit is a little bit, the buyers are a little bit more, but then this doesn't affect the overall price, because if you calculate all the buyers from the top 10 exchanges and calculate all the sellers, you can see that the people who are willing to sell are more than the people who are willing to buy, than the money who is money ready to exchange for buying Ethereum. So you can see, let's peep on the top 10 exchanges first of all. You can see Mexi, sellers are more. Sellers are putting in more money, so the market is likely going to come down. On KuCoin, buyers are putting in more money, 2.8 against 2.3. On Mexi, 1.3 against 1.7. On Gate.io, 4.1 against 4.4. So on Gate.io, the sellers are even more. On Bjet, the buyers are more, 4.2 against 3. Okay. Bybit, the buyers are more, 7.2 against 6.5. On OKX, the sellers are more, 4.6 against 5.8. On Orbit, sellers are more, 2.4 against 1.2. On KuCoin, 7.3 against 3. On Binance, which is the biggest exchange, $16 million against $13 million. So if you calculate all the money ready to buy Ethereum and all the money ready to sell Ethereum, you find out that the sellers are willing to dump Ethereum. So I know people actually come here to come and see. People actually ask if this bullish and bearish thing works. Yeah, it works, but people just sentiment, community sentiment. Somebody can come here and just type in bullish, and this is just to give people hope. But what is really happening in the market? What is really happening in the market is that people are willing to sell Ethereum. So that this explains why Ethereum has dropped about $5 since we started making this video, and it may drop further in the next 24 hours. Now kindly note that this is not all you need to determine the price of Ethereum, because the price can change. You can come here after 5 minutes. You can see this place is showing 5 minutes. It's updated every 5 minutes. So if you come here, you find out that the price, the numbers can change anytime on Binance. This Coinbase can also change anytime, but as at now, the sellers are willing to sell more. So I hope you understand this, and of course, and I hope you can use this to navigate any coin you want to make your research on in the future. Alright, there are many other coins that I would have done, but for the sake of time, I hope this teaches you very simple stuff about how to determine the prices of crypto over the next few hours. So this is how future traders can confirm a particular trade if they should actually short that particular token or that particular crypto, or if they can long it. Alright, so for now guys, I'll leave you guys here, and of course you can come down in the comments area. Let me know exactly what you think about this video, if you've actually used this strategy before or you've never used it. See you on another one guys, and have a very wonderful day.